Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel. In today's tip, I'm going to show you what you can do to flip rows and columns. So here's the scenario we're facing here. This is our data set, and right now we have the quarters listed top to bottom, but we want them listed left to right, and we want the names listed top to bottom. There's an easy way to accomplish this through using a special type of paste called paste transpose. We're going to select all of our data, copy it, and paste transpose it. So to select the data, just click anywhere in the data set, hold down your control key and hit the letter A like all. That selects the entire table. Next, you want to use control C to copy. And then when it comes time to paste, you can right click, hover over paste special, and what you want to choose is paste transpose. Now, paste transpose shows up in two spaces on my machine. Right on the paste options, there's paste transpose here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click paste transpose. And now my columns and my rows are flipped all in one quick step. If you enjoy these types of quick tips that solve problems, consider signing up for my email list to get more tips on a weekly basis, or consider bringing us into your organization to provide customized or tailored Excel training for your team. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.